Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. This is my Nalgene water bottle and it's 48 ounces. I love this water bottle. Nalgene's are great. I've used this brand before and I like the lid. It's nice and wide, has a good handle, and I like that this is a little bit bigger than the regular water bottle. It's 48 ounces. It's super easy to drink from. I like that I can get that extra little amount in there if I'm traveling, and it might be hard to fill up water at any point. So this ensures that I'm always going to be hydrated. You can see there that it has 48 ounces. I love the wide mouth. I find it super easy to get the contents in, and it's really easy to drink from as well. I do like that it's 48 ounces because it just gives me that extra amount. I can clip it onto a backpack, and I love Nalgene because it's lightweight. I love this water bottle because it carries a lot of water. It's super durable and it's light for trekking. I think it's great, and that's my point of view.